These 21 foods naturally clear your arteries and protect you from heart attacks. A healthy diet rich in nutritional foods may help reduce your risk of developing clogged arteries. Research has shown that adding some foods to your diet may be an effective way to prevent atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis occurs when fatty deposits accumulate along artery walls. You may have heard the condition referred to as clogged arteries or a hardening of the arteries. This causes the arteries to narrow and restricts blood flow to the heart and other parts of the body. Heart issues are the major reason of deaths all over the world. In any case, rolling out a couple of little improvements to your diet regimen can radically bring down your hazard. This video highlights 21 foods that may help prevent clogged arteries and save you from heart attack. New to this channel, please simply hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon in order to be informed when a new video is published. 1. Tomatoes and tomato products. Tomatoes and tomato products contain plant compounds that may be particularly helpful for reducing the development of atherosclerosis. For example, tomatoes contain the carotenoid pigment lycopene, which may have impressive health benefits. Studies show that consuming lycopene-rich tomato products may help reduce inflammation, boost HDL, good cholesterol, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Interestingly, combining cooked tomato with olive oil may offer the greatest protection against clogged arteries. Eating tomato sauce with olive oil had the greatest effect on reducing adhesion molecules and inflammatory proteins, compared with raw tomatoes and plain tomato sauce. However, all the tomato preparations boosted HDL, good cholesterol, and reduced total cholesterol. 2. Onions. Onions are part of the allium genus and linked to a number of health benefits. Research has shown that a diet rich in these popular veggies may protect the arteries. Onions contain sulfur compounds that scientists think may help prevent blood vessel inflammation, inhibit the clumping together of platelets in the blood, and increase the availability of nitric oxide. All of these effects may help protect against atherosclerosis and improve artery health. 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are part of the Mediterranean diet, and the omega-3 fatty acids that they contain have anti-inflammatory properties. Fatty fish include tuna, salmon, mackerel, herring, and anchovies. People can include fatty fish in their meals up to twice a week but should limit their consumption of fish with higher mercury levels, such as swordfish and marlin. The purpose behind this is the number of healthy unsaturated fats that are actually discovered in the fish. It assists to lower and forestall elevated cholesterol, inflammation, and triglyceride levels. 4. Berries. Berries include blueberries, strawberries, cranberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These fruits are packed with an impressive amount of health benefits, including their ability to lower inflammation and improve heart health. Berries are linked with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds. These include flavonoid antioxidants that are known to assist in improving heart health. Berries may help prevent clogged arteries by reducing inflammation and cholesterol accumulation, boosting artery function, and protecting against cellular damage. 5. Orange juice. A pure squeezed orange full of antioxidants that help the healthy vessels. Squeezed orange is also known to bring down the levels of blood pressure. 2 glasses of freshly squeezed orange juice every day are sufficient to cover your day-by-day prescribed estimation of vitamin C and give adequate minerals and vitamins to affect your health and well-being emphatically. 6. Species. Spices, including ginger, pepper, chili, and cinnamon, may help protect against clogged arteries. These and other spices have anti-inflammatory properties and may help scavenge free radicals, improve blood lipid levels, and reduce the clumping together of platelets in the blood. You can increase your spice consumption easily by adding these versatile flavorings to oatmeal, soups, stews, and just about any other dish you can think of. 7. Nuts and seed. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. What's more, these tiny and versatile foods may help prevent clogged arteries. Not just are these beneficial for your cholesterol levels, They are also advantageous to your memory and joints. Almonds and walnuts are exceptionally high in these healthy fats. One modest bunch daily can have a significant effect. Research has consistently shown that nut and seed intake can significantly improve atherosclerosis risk factors. For example, eating nuts and seeds can reduce LDL, bad, cholesterol and blood pressure and may help boost HDL, good, cholesterol. Research has also shown that eating nuts and seeds reduces blood sugar levels and may help protect against diabetes, a known risk factor for atherosclerosis. Additionally, eating nuts and seeds may help improve blood vessel function and protect against heart disease. 8. Beets. Beets are a good source of nitrates that your body converts to nitric oxide, a signaling molecule that plays many important roles in your body. Inflammation in the blood vessels leads to decreased nitric oxide production. Eating foods like beets that are rich in dietary nitrates may help improve blood vessel function and decrease inflammation, which may help prevent atherosclerosis. Research has also found an association between dietary nitrate intake and a reduced risk of atherosclerosis-related death. 9. Oats. Oats are an excellent choice for those who have atherosclerosis or are trying to prevent clogged arteries. Eating oats can help significantly lower atherosclerosis risk factors, including high levels of total and LDL, bad, cholesterol. Oats also contain antioxidants called avenanthramides, which may help inhibit inflammatory proteins called cytokines, as well as adhesion molecules. This may help prevent atherosclerosis. Consuming oat bran, which is packed with fiber, may be helpful as well. Are you enjoying this video? Please give this video a thumb up by liking it and also share it for other people to benefit from this important natural health tip. You can also leave a comment in the comments box below. Now back to the 10th food that naturally clear the arteries. 10. Green tea. Green tea is notable for its refreshing and soothing effects simultaneously. One explanation behind this is the cetacean contained in the leaves of the tea. This cancer prevention agent brings down cholesterol retention and supports digestion. Maybe a cup of tea or perhaps 2 each day is sufficient to give the greatest benefits. 11. Watermelon. This summertime favorite is a great natural source of the amino acid L-citrulline, which boosts nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide causes the arteries to relax, decreases inflammation and can help lower blood pressure. Watermelon also helps to modify blood lipids and lowers belly fat accumulation. Less fat in the abdominal area lowers the risk of heart disease. An occasional bit of watermelon can work miracles. And it tastes like heaven itself. So either have it as is or blend it to make its juice. You are going to love it anyway. 12. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, including lettuces, kale, arugula, Swiss chard, and spinach, supply an abundance of nutrients that may help protect against atherosclerosis. Green leafy vegetables are a good source of dietary nitrates, which can help improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation. They're also associated with potassium. This mineral helps prevent vascular calcification, a process that contributes to atherosclerosis. Furthermore, numerous studies have shown that eating green leafy vegetables is an excellent way to reduce your risk of heart disease. 13. Cocoa and dark chocolate. Cocoa and dark chocolate products are not only delicious but also may help ward off atherosclerosis. A study that included 2,217 participants found that eating chocolate was associated with less atherosclerotic plaque in the coronary arteries. These arteries transport oxygen-rich blood to the heart. Studies have also found that eating chocolate is associated with a reduced risk of stroke, heart disease, and diabetes. Furthermore, cocoa and dark chocolate products are rich in polyphenol plant compounds. These help increase nitric oxide production and decrease inflammation in the arteries, which may help improve physical function in people with atherosclerosis. 14. Olive oil. The Mediterranean diet is rich in high-fiber vegetables, beans, and olive oil. It has long been associated with improved heart health. Olive oil may help reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. Scientists attribute olive oil's ability to increase heart and blood vessel health to its high content of polyphenol compounds. Keep in mind that less refined extra virgin olive oil has significantly greater amounts of polyphenols than more refined olive oils. 15. Whole grain. Whole grain flour is also a compelling approach to counteract elevated cholesterol. It is rich in fiber, which easily binds with cholesterol, keeping it from gathering in the arteries. Nourishments high in whole grain don't just keep cholesterol from working up. They additionally help to separate any existing development. You should eat grains in their whole, natural state. Whole grains contain more fiber than processed grains and can help balance blood glucose. You should be mindful of their portion size and aim to eat no more than a quarter of a plate of whole grains. You can include whole grain like brown rice, oats, whole grain bread, pasta, buckwheat, barley, millet and quinoa. 16. Turmeric. The main component of this spice is curcumin, which is a power anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is a major cause of arteriosclerosis, or the hardening of the arteries. Turmeric also reduces the damage to arterial walls, which can cause blood clots and plaque buildup. Turmeric also contains vitamin B6, which helps to maintain healthy levels of homocysteine, which can cause plaque buildup and blood vessel damage in excess amounts. Turmeric can be an ingredient in many dishes, both sweet and savory. One way to get your daily dose is by drinking a glass of warm turmeric milk daily. If you've never cooked with it before, now's the time to get creative for your health. 17. Spinach. This dark, leafy green is filled with potassium, folate and fiber, which helps lower blood pressure and prevents artery blockage. One serving per day helps lower homocysteine levels, a risk factor for heart diseases such as atherosclerosis. It doesn't matter if you eat it raw or cooked, the benefits are the same. So try it in salads, smoothies and even on your omelette. Not just useful for Popeye's muscles, spinach helps clearing the arteries and lowers the blood pressure. Despite the fact that the myth of spinach's high iron substance has since been exposed, it is as yet known to be rich in folic acid and potassium. Both of these lower your risk of having a heart attack and upkeep the muscle tissue. 18. Broccoli. Broccoli can prevent artery clogging because it is loaded with vitamin K, which prevents calcium from damaging the arteries. Broccoli also prevents cholesterol oxidation and is full of fiber, which lowers blood pressure and reduces stress. Stress can lead to tearing and plaque buildup of arterial walls. These little trees also contain sulforaphane, which helps the body use protein to prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. Regardless of whether eating it raw as a nibble, or as a major part of a full dinner meal, broccoli is rich in nutrients development to your day. It is recommended to have 2 to 3 servings of broccoli per week for the maximum benefits. Broccoli is another versatile vegetable. It tastes great grilled, roasted or steamed and is a great side dish. 19. Avocado. It's not anymore a puzzle that avocados are greatly healthy for you. The fats found in avocados advance a solid harmony amongst great and terrible cholesterol, which is imperative for sound arteries. This versatile fruit is heavenly in serving of salads, with bread, or all alone with a little bit of salt and pepper. Avocado helps reduce the bad cholesterol and increase the good cholesterol that helps to clear the arteries. It also contains vitamin E, which prevents cholesterol oxidation, as well as potassium, which is known to lower blood pressure. Avocados are a delicious replacement for mayo on a sandwich, or as a salad topping, and of course, in guacamole. 20. Asparagus. Asparagus is a Herculean warrior against elevated cholesterol. Asparagus is tasty as a primary dish, in soup, or as a side to pasta or potatoes. Asparagus is one of the best foods to cleanse your arteries. Full of fiber and minerals, it helps lower blood pressure and prevent blood clots that can lead to serious cardiovascular illness. It works within the veins and arteries to alleviate inflammation that may have accumulated over time. It boosts the body's production of glutathione, an antioxidant that fights inflammation and prevents damaging oxidation that causes clogged or blocked arteries. It also contains alpha-linoleic acid and folic acid, which prevent hardening of the arteries. 21. Flaxseed. Research suggests flaxseed has significant lipid-lowering effects. Lower lipids, fats in your blood, mean less plaque buildup in your arteries and more smiles for your heart. Flaxseed provides alpha-lipoic acid, antioxidants called lignans, and a bunch of fiber, so adding it to your diet may help reduce your risk of atherosclerosis. Flaxseed is also anti-inflammatory, may help lower cholesterol, and may even help regulate heart rhythms. So sprinkle it on oatmeal, sling it into a smoothie, or mix it into some yogurt. There are many great recipes for asparagus. Steam it, roast it, grill it and even eat it raw in salads. All of the foods highlighted above offer many other benefits as well. Adding them to your daily routine may significantly decrease your risk of disease and boost your overall health. Healthy lifestyle changes are especially important if you have a procedure to remove plaques or bypass a heavily clogged artery. Once you've had a clog removed or reduced, it's important you do everything you can to prevent more plaque buildups so you can lead a longer, healthier life. Thanks for watching. Check out more videos on this channel that are related to natural healthy living.